For more insight into these numbers, let's talk to Professor Liu Baocheng from the University of International Business and Economics here in Beijing. Thank you very much for talking to us, Professor. Yes. China's CPI grew higher than expected. What are the causes behind this growth?
Well, generally it is a cyclical pattern. In July, when the weather becomes extremely hot and volatile, the supply of vegetable and particularly pork, which take a large percentage in Chinese CPI basket, are normally seeing a rise. However, if you see the margin of growth is still very controllable, and as long as the CPI is contained within 3 or the maximum 3.5%, it is still a manageable economy, and consumers' complaint will not be that much exaggerated. So hopefully this is the seasonal reflection, and when the heat is over, by the end of the month, price will remain normal or even get reduced below the 2.3%.
Well, Professor, let's talk about the producer price index. It has seen a decline for 17 months in a row. Do you see this momentum will last in the rest of 5 months of this year?
Well, it is a structural pattern, and at the moment, because when Chinese government has been pulling all the triggers to shift the Chinese economy more into a domestic consumption-driven, it is going to take a painful process. So the result cannot be estimated based on today's reflection of those figures. So, but the homework is being prepared, and much is now dependent on the determination of the central government as how to direct the economy by the second half of this year. If we resort to the conventional pattern of stimulated economy by more government expenditures, particularly in support of the infrastructure building and in support of those money-losing the state-owned companies, then we may see a superfluous growth, but the danger is going to be inflated. So therefore, I would very much vote for the recently celebrated Liika economics, and keep the market going by itself and deleverage the financial market, and now allow more private companies to participate in the formerly monopolized area. So with this, the economic growth will not produce a miracle, but it's going to be healthier.
Thank you very much indeed, Professor Liu Baocheng from the University of International Business and Economics here in Beijing.